Children, today we will see small activity and classwork. Okay? children, now we are going to write the classwork. Okay. Okay children, now start second pattern. Second pattern, write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Capital S A F E, safe. Apostrophe, comma. Write, safe, or capital U N S A F E, safe. Unsafe, apostrophe, comma. Write safe or unsafe for, F-O-R, for, E-A-C-H, each. Statement, S-T-A-T-E-M-E-N-T, statement. Okay. Write safe or unsafe for each statement. Number 1. First question. Shall I start? Yeah. First one. T-O-U-C-H I-N-G, touching. T-O-U-C-H-I-N-G, touching. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C, electric. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C, electric. Switches, S-W-I-T-C-H-E-S, switches. S-W-I-T-C-H-E-S, switches. Touching electric switches. Touching electric switches are safe or unsafe? Safe? No. Say unsafe. So you should write unsafe. U-N-S-A-F-E. Unsafe. Underline the unsafe. Okay. Second one. S T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. In, I-N, a, standing in a queue. Q-U-E-U-E, queue. Q-U-E-U-E, queue. At, A-T, at. The, T-H-E, the bus, 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 stop, 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 standing in a queue at the bus stop. Okay, what is a queue? Queue means it's a line. Okay, is it safe or unsafe? Yeah, safe. So you should write safe. Yes, A F E, safe. Underline the word safe. Okay, next, third one, number 3, P L A Y I N G, playing, P L A Y I N G, playing, on, O N, on, the, T H E, the, playing on the road, R O A D, road, playing on the road. Children, can you tell me, it is safe or unsafe? Playing on the road safe? No, it's unsafe. So you should write unsafe, UNSAFE, unsafe. Underline the word unsafe. Playing on the road is a unsafe. Number 4. P U S H I N G, pushing. Pushing means என்ன? தள்ளி விடுறது. Okay, P U S H I N G, pushing. O T H E R S, others, pushing others. In, I-N, in, a, B-U-S, bus, pushing others in a bus. Pushing others in a bus is safe or unsafe? Yeah, unsafe. If you pushing others, they will be fell down. Yes or no? Yeah. So you should write unsafe. UNSAFE, unsafe. Pushing others in a bus, unsafe. Okay, next, number 5. Children, if you have no space means you write on the next page. Okay, write number 5. W E A R I N G, wearing. S W I M M I N G, swimming. S W I M M I N G, swimming. T tubes, 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 in, in, the, the, pole, 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 wearing swimming tubes in the pole. Okay children, can you tell me it is safe or unsafe? Yeah, wearing swimming tubes is a safe, so you should write safe, S A F E, safe. Underline the word safe. Wearing swimming tubes in the pool, safe. Okay, second pattern is over. Okay, again I read this pattern carefully. Watch it. Write safe or unsafe for each statement. Okay, if the statement is safe, now you should write safe. If the statement is unsafe, means you should write unsafe. Okay, first one, touching electric switches is safe or unsafe? Yeah, unsafe. UNSAFE, unsafe. Second one, standing in a queue at the bus stop. Standing in a queue at the bus stop is safe or unsafe? Yeah, safe. So you should write safe. SAFE, safe. Okay. Third one is playing on the road. Playing on the road is safe or unsafe? Yeah, unsafe. UNSAFE, unsafe. Playing on the road is unsafe. Number 4, pushing others in a bus is safe or unsafe? Yeah, unsafe. UNSAFE, unsafe. Number 5, wearing swimming tubes in the pool, safe. SAFE, safe. Okay children, so third Roman is over, but I wrote on the board second Roman. Sorry children, that's a third Roman. Okay, now we are going to write fourth pattern. Yeah, circle, 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 circle. The, the, circle the. Things, 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 things. That, 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 that. You, circle the things that you should. SHOULD, should. Not, NOT, not. Circle the things that you should not play. PLAY, A-Y, play. With, W-I-T-H, with. Circle the things that you should not play with. One, knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Ball, B-A-L-L, ball, B-A-L-L, ball. What is this? Yeah, it's a flower. So you should write flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Next, doll, D-O-L-L, doll, D-O-L-L, doll. Scissors, S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors, S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. Blade, B-L-A-D-E, blade, B-L-A-D-E, blade. Matchbox, M-A-T-C-H, matchbox, B-O-X, box, M-A-T-C-H, B-O-X, matchbox. Knife, ball, flower, doll, scissors, blade and matchbox. Fourth pattern, circle the things that you should not play with. Okay. Can you tell me which things you are not play with us? So you should find the things. நம்ம எந்தெந்த திங்ஸோலாம் வச்சுட்டு விளையாட மாட்டோமோ அந்த திங்ஸ் என்ன பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? We are going to circle it. Okay. Knife, ball, flower, doll, scissors, blade, matchbox. Okay. So first one is knife. Can you play with a knife? No. So you should circle the knife picture. Okay. Next one is ball, flower, doll. Ball, flower and doll we are play with us, isn't it? Yes. So next one, scissors. No. So you should circle the scissors. Next one is blade. So blade also we can't play with us. So you circle the blade picture. Then last one is matchbox. Matchbox also we can't play with us. So you should circle the matchbox. Okay. So fourth Roman is over.
Now we are going to do the book exercise. Take page number 64. First Roman, tick the correct option. Number 1. Which of the following activities should you not do? Touching electric plugs and switches with wet hands, crossing roads at the zebra crossing, standing in a queue to get into a bus, swimming under the supervision of an older person. Which one is answer? Yeah, touching electric plugs and switches with wet hands. So tick the A option. Okay, second question. If you are still learning to swim, you should always use. If you are still learning to swim, you should always use swimming belt, swimming towel, swimming tube, swimming costume. Which one is important? Yeah, swimming tube. So you tick C option. Next, third question. Always cross the road at. Always cross the road at zebra crossing, elephant crossing, giraffe crossing, none of this. Yeah, you always cross the road at zebra crossing. So you take A option. Fourth question. We should not play with soft towel toys, sharp objects, flowers, crayons. Yeah, sharp objects. So you should take B option. Number 5. Never get out of a dash vehicle. Never get out of a dash vehicle. Moving, standing, immobile, still. Yeah, we never get out of a moving vehicle. என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது? மூவ் பண்ணுற வெஹிக்கல்லேருந்து நம்ம வெளியில் வரக்கூடாது, எட்டி பார்க்கக்கூடாது. ஸோ யூ ஷுட் tick A option. Okay. First pattern, tick the correct option. Number 1. Which of the following activities should you not do? Answer is touching electric plugs and switches with wet hands. நம்ம ஈர கையால் ப்ளக்ஸையோ இல்லை ஸ்விட்சஸோ தொட்டால் என்ன ஆகும்? எலக்ட்ரிக் ஷாக் அடிக்கும் இல்லைங்களா? அதனால தான் this one is the answer for this question. If you are still learning to swim, you should always use swimming tube. Swimming tube. Next, third question. Always cross the road at. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. Number 4. We should not play with sharp objects. We should not play with sharp objects. Number 5. Never get out of a moving vehicle. Never get out of a moving vehicle. Okay, second Raman. True or false? True or false? First one. Never run after a vehicle when on a road. Never run after a vehicle when on a road. True or false? Yeah, true. So you should write true. T-R-U-E. True. Second one. Never help visually impaired and old people in crossing a road. True or false? False. So you should write false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Number 3. Always follow the traffic lights. True or false? Yeah, true. So you should write true. T-R-U-E. True. Fourth one. Do not play in the playground. False.
A-L-S-E, false. Fifth one, do not tease animals for fun. True. T-R-U-E, true. Second Roman, true or false. First one, never run after a vehicle when on a road. True. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, ரோட்டில் ஓடக்கூடாது. So you should write true. Second one, never help visually impaired and old person in crossing a road. ஏஜ் ஆனவங்களுக்கும் இல்லை ஏதாவது விசுவல் அதாவது கண்ணு தெரியாதவங்களும் ஹெல்ப் கேட்டாங்கன்னா பண்ணணுமா பண்ணக்கூடாதா? பண்ணணும் தானே. ஆனால் இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, நெவர் அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ யூ ஷுட் ரைட் ஃபால்ஸ். F-A-L-S-E, false. Third one, always follow the traffic lights. We should always follow the traffic lights. So you should write true. Fourth one, do not play in the playground. நம்ம playgroundல play பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு இருக்காங்க. Is it correct? No. So you should write false. Fifth one, do not tease animals for fun. நம்ம அனிமல்ஸை விளையாட்டுக்காக அதை சும்மா நோண்டிகிட்டே இருந்தோம் அப்படின்னா அது என்ன ஆயிரும், நம்மளை கடிச்சிரும் இல்லைங்களா. அதனால இங்கே do not tease அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ட்ரூவா ஃபால்ஸா? எஸ், ட்ரூ. ஸோ யூ ஷுட் ரைட் ட்ரூ. Third pattern, read the paragraph carefully. Fill the correct picture number in the blanks. Read the paragraph carefully. Fill the correct picture number in the blanks. First picture, what they are doing? They are standing in the queue. What spelling for queue? Q-U-E-U-E, queue. Q-U-E-U-E, queue. Second picture, what he doing? Is cross the road. Zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra crossing. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, crossing. Zebra crossing. What is this? This is a first aid box. So first, F-I-R-S-T, first aid, A-I-D, aid, box, B-O-X, box, first aid box. What picture is this? Both of them met an accident. Spelling for accident, A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T, accident. Okay, now fill the paragraph. Okay, if we are not careful, we may meet with an dash. Which one is correct answer? First picture, second one, or third one, or fourth one? Yeah, fourth one. Okay, if we are not careful, we may meet with an accident. So you should write the number of the picture. So you should write number 4. Okay, next, we should cross the road at dash. Which one is correct picture? Yeah, second one. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. So you should write number 2. Okay, third one, we must follow the traffic rules. Always stand in a dash while waiting for a bus. Always stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. So number 1. Next, keep a dance box ready in your classroom.
Keep a first aid box ready in your classroom. So you should write number 3. Children, again I repeat this paragraph. If we are not careful, we may meet with an accident. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. We must follow the traffic rules. Always stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. Keep a first aid box ready in your classroom.
Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.